even thank you. I retraced my steps, looking for the bag.
Anybody playing basketball this afternoon?
No, why?
Because the basketball was out in the street.
Brother?
There's only one basketball left.
That was out there a few days ago. I mean, it's been a
What?
few days since that's been out
Out in
there.
the gutter?
Yeah, I didn't know it was yours.
Yesterday.
And the cave's
Could
gone.
not
I saw
find
it this
any
morning.
internet.
Okay, we may have met yesterday.
Whoa,
We
that's
have, there was no basketball.
Buffalo poop!
Back to the
I didn't catch that.
house.